Hi guys, a quick educational announcement for you. So what we've done now is we've added a new custom certificate area into Zenler Extras. So if you go into Zenler Extra area on the NZ Masterclass Bundle found at tutorials.newzenler.com, you can enter into our Zenler theme packs, and what you're going to see now is we've actually put a new block in down the bottom. So you're going to find that you have installation videos on custom certificates. So we've made 6 new templates that you can use. We've also given you information here on how you can edit your own and create your own unique certificates, and you can base it on our certificates that we've already done for you. So there's lots of stuff in here. This is how to just install the certificate. If you don't want to edit it and you want to just install it in there because you like the look of it, then you can just install it, and it's really quick to do. Giving you all the files to do that and the actual installation video there to have a look through. It's about 2 minutes long. And if you actually want to go in and you want to edit videos yourself, if you want to go in and edit certificates yourself, you can come into step 2, step 3 and step 4. So you'll first of all install the fonts you need to, and also install the software, which is all completely free, and then you'll have the ability to edit the certificates. You could create your own, or you could edit the existing templates that we supplied to you. And we've also got a further little bit on editing, how to add your own logo if you want to as well. And if you click here, this is a workshop that we did that is quite a long, it's about an hour-long workshop, and shows you even more techniques to create certificates from scratch. So definitely check out that if you're into creating your own custom certificates. So down here you're going to find the links for Inkscape, and you're also going to find a link to the font packs. So the custom font packs that we supply are Alex Brush, we've got Blazium and Pacifico. So these font packs are in here. The certificates themselves are here. So we got 6 brand new great looking certificates that you can use if you want to. Got a low ink version there, just in the grey and the white and the black, and you can simply click these down. So I'm going to show you how quick it is to download and install one of these certificates and test it as a student. Now you can find how to test it and all this stuff following these videos, so I'm not going to go into detail. I'm just going to download one and quickly show you how to do it. So here we go, let's pick one of these. I'll pick this one here and I click download. What you're going to see is it will download a zip file, and this zip file will appear in your downloads folder. All you need to do is right hand click and extract all, and just extract all to the same thing or to a different folder. So clicking extract, it will create this, which is a folder in here. So now I can delete the zip folder, I don't need it anymore. And inside here you're going to find that template. So it's template 6 SVG. You can see that down here, template 6. And now we're going to go in and install this in our site. So here I am in the site. I come into courses, under certificates, I go add certificate design. I can name it whatever I like. I'll just call this 6 for now, and I'll choose the file, and I'm just going to choose that download. So I'm going to go to my download folder, open up that folder, inside there the .svg file. I'm going to click open, and I'm going to click add, and now it's been added to my system. You can see a little preview of it down here. If we open that up, you can see the preview, there it is. And now I'm going to add this to the course. So I'm going to close this off. I'm going to go into the course I want to apply that certificate to. I'm going to click in here, go to course details, straight into the certificates. Just got to enable certificates to be able to use them in this course, and then it will be sent out to them when they finish the course. And there you can see our 6. So I'm going to click 6 and I'm going to click update. Now we're going to go into the course as a student to test this and see the result we get. Okay, so now I'm logged into incognito mode into my student dashboard. I'm going to go to my courses. I have the course that I applied the certificate for. It's just a quick test course with 1 lesson in it, and I can just complete that lesson, and then I'll have access to download the certificate. So once you go through and you click mark as complete in that lesson, you'll get this come up and you can download your certificate here. So if I click download here, what you're going to do is you're going to see that it will actually download certificates. So I'm going to click there, and then I will have that downloaded. I'm going to open up my downloads folder, and we're going to view the certificate that's been created. So there's our certificate there. I'm I'm going to double click that. It's been created as a PDF file, and there you can see that is our certificate. So it's got the automatically created fields, the name of the school, and it's got the name of the school there, the name of the student, and the name of the course. So I also show you how to edit these as well. So this is a good one for you guys. I know you like certificates and you don't want to be locked into just the ones that are in there. So now you've got 6 more that you can use as a base. Of course, you could create your own if you follow the tutorial that I just showed you. Okay guys, hope you like it, and yeah, give me some feedback. So remember, it's in the NZ Masterclass Bundle. It's at tutorials.zenler.com. Go into Zenler Extras, go into the theme packs, and you'll find it down the bottom. So just watch those videos, because there are some important notes in using fonts inside there and what you need to be aware of. Okay guys.